Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to guide you through the process of deleting your Flickr account. If you no longer want to use Flickr or want to remove your photos and information permanently, this video will show you how to do it quickly and safely using your web browser. First, open your Flickr account on a browser. Next, click on your profile icon located at the top right. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Then, navigate to the Account and Subscription section. Scroll down the page until you find the option that says Delete your Flickr account. Tap on it. Then click on OK Next. After that, a confirmation page will appear. Check the box that says Yes, I fully understand, to acknowledge that all your data will be permanently deleted. Then tap on Delete My Account to finalize the process. Finally, your Flickr account will be removed completely, and you will no longer have access to your photos or information stored on the platform. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.